Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Dodge Challenger, the ultimate muscle car that combines raw power, aggressive looks, and modern technology. Let's break down everything this beast has to offer. Exterior features: 2025 Dodge Challenger. The moment you lay eyes on it, you know this car means business. The Challenger continues its legendary design with bold muscular lines, but for 2025, it's sleeker, more aggressive, and ready to take on the streets. Up front, you've got that iconic split grille, surrounded by powerful LED headlights that give the Challenger a commanding presence. The functional hood vents aren't just for looks, they help manage airflow for better cooling and performance. The side profile is classic, with its low stance and wide body, giving it that aggressive muscle car look. And the rear? The signature LED taillights and quad exhaust tips scream power and performance, while the rear diffuser aids in aerodynamics, keeping the Challenger stable at high speeds. Interior features: step inside, and you'll find the 2025 Challenger blends muscle car tradition with modern luxury. The cabin is designed for driving enthusiasts who want comfort without compromising performance. The sporty leather-wrapped seats provide plenty of support, whether you're on a road trip or tearing up the track. Behind the wheel, you'll be greeted by a customizable digital display, providing key information like speed, G-forces, and performance metrics. The Uconnect 5 system comes standard with a 10.1-inch touchscreen, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system to make every drive an event. Performance. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter: the performance. The 2025 Dodge Challenger offers a range of powertrains to suit every driver. The standout is the legendary 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8, known as the Hellcat engine. This beast puts out a mind-blowing 807 horsepower and 717 pounds-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful muscle cars on the road. With the Hellcat Red Eye trim, you'll hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, and the quarter-mile time? That'll be in the low 11-second range. This car is built for speed, acceleration, and insane thrills. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Are you excited for the new Challenger? Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the hottest cars of 2025.